Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. This is A. Manoj Kumar, working in Oxford High School, Uppugunduru. We have been discussing about our Earth in the solar system. Last session, what I explained you about satellites and man-made satellites. Okay, now if you see all the planets having satellites, except two planets, remaining all planets having the satellites. Okay, first planet is Mercury, which is near to the sun. Okay, now Mercury and Venus, these two planets not having the satellites, remaining all planets having the satellites. Our Earth also having only one satellite. That natural satellite is called Moon. Okay, every day night you are watching the moon. Man-made satellites. So nowadays, due to the improvement of scientific technology, people also sending satellites. These satellites moving around the Earth, planets, isn't it or not? And giving so useful information. That data I explained you. So here regarding ISRO, in the last session I explained you. You tell me, ISRO headquarters located in, first of all, you tell me, what is the full meaning of ISRO? ISRO. ISRO means what? Tell me. ISRO. Yes, last session I explained you. ISRO means Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO headquarters located in Bengaluru. Where? Bengaluru. Okay, na? Then through two space center, ISRO working perfectly. That is the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Regarding that, I explained you, which is in Sriharikota, Shore. Sriharikota high altitude range, Shore means. Then another one is located in Kerala. Okay, na? So Tumba satellite launch vehicle, that one. First one is Shore, Satish Dhawan Space Center. The next one is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Next one is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. Sometimes it is called as Tumba Launching Center. By using these centers, sending the rockets. These rockets carry the satellites, man-made satellites, and dropping the orbit of the planet. Okay, now this data I explained you. No, in your textbook, one important item given, box item given. See, on 24th September 2014, we always remember that date. Okay, now 2014 October 24th. October 24th, 2014, Mangalayan. Okay, Mangalayan. That means Mars Orbiter Mission, launched by the Indian Space Research Organization. Just now I told you, Indian Space Research Organization sending the satellites and taking the information, very useful information. Okay, so 2014 they started Mangalayan project. Okay, launched by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, reached the orbit of Mars. Mars is next to us. That means after Mercury, Venus, after that Earth, after that, yes, Mars. Okay, na? So especially why they started this project, Mangalayan project, they wanted to know the surface of the Mars. Then they wanted to know the temperatures on Mars. Temperatures in the sense weather conditions of Mars. Okay, now we know our weather conditions, Earth. So what is the temperatures here recording? What is the position in the equator? If you go far away from the equator, what is the condition? Everything we know, but we don't know regarding the Mars. That's why they started Mangalayan. Okay, Mangalayan project. So that is Mars Orbiter Mission. So which year they started? 2014 September 24th they launched this one. Okay, na? Very, very important. So, so explore the atmosphere and the topography. Atmosphere of the Mars. Why they sent it that Mars orbiter mission? They wanted to know the especially atmosphere and the topography of Mars. Topography of Mars. What is the meaning of topography, sir? Surface. What is the conditions? What is the features of the conditions of the Mars? Topography means if you see Earth, we have plains, plateaus, then another one is then plain area, plateau area, mountain area. That is the topography. Then such a topography, what is the topography of Mars? Then we can learn from the mom. That's why they send it. Then this is a space agency. Which is the space agency? ISRO is the space agency. Up to now, like ISRO, we have 4 space agencies. First one is Russian, that means USSR, Soviet Space Program, then NASA, then European Space Agency. After that, India Space Research Organization, ISRO. Very, very important. ISRO has become the 4th space agency in the world. How great we are. Okay, na? So ISRO is become the 4th space agency in the world. Okay, so Soviet Space Program, one agency, then NASA, another agency, European Space Agency, 4th one is India Space Agency. So this is general knowledge wise very, very important. Remember this one. Now I am going to explain about asteroids, meteorites, then comets and galaxy and universe. You tell me, what is asteroids? If you see all the planets moving around the sun. Like planets, these asteroids are also rocky bodies. Okay, asteroids also rocky bodies moving around the sun. Remember that one. Okay, na? So asteroids, see the small pieces of rocky are apart from the planets and satellites, there are number of small rocky objects which also moving around the sun. These are called asteroids. We know the information regarding planets. Planets moving around the sun. Planets moving itself. Okay, at the same time moving around the sun. Understood? These asteroids also rocky bodies, one kind of rocky bodies moving around the sun. Understood? Then see, then these bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Where we can find the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, we are able to find the which belt? Asteroid belts. That means that pieces of rocky objects. Okay, now that means bulky rocky objects. Okay, found in between Mars and Jupiter. Understood? So sometimes asking where we can find the okay, asteroid belt, Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are the view that asteroids are parts of the planet which exploded many years back. What is the thought of the scientists? Many, that means lakhs of years ago, these asteroids also so part of the planets. Then due to the explosions, these particles separated from the planets. Then these traveled and settled in between Mars and Jupiter. That is the scientist view. Understood? You remember where asteroid belt is found between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, na? So these are all small pieces of rocky objects moving around the sun. Okay, next one, meteorites. Meteorites also small pieces of rocky or metallic bodies. Small pieces of rocky or metallic bodies which move around the sun are called meteorites. These are also small pieces of rocks or metallic bodies. These are also moving around the sun. Which one? Meteorites. Like asteroids, meteorites also small pieces of rocks or metallic bodies move around the sun. Sometimes these meteorites travel towards the earth and reach the earth area due to the friction of the air. These meteorites burn. Then we are by that time we are able to see the flashlights. Sometimes these meteorites reach the ground and it creates the hollow. Hollow means holes. That one only given in your textbook. Once we will go through. During this process, due to the friction of the air, they get heated up and burn. Which one? Meteorites. Okay. Then in case it causes a flash of light. Just now I told you, flash of light. Sometimes a meteorite without being completely burned and reaches the ground area and it creates holes. Holes technically what we call hollow. Understood? Hollow. Next one, comets. Comets in Telugu Tokachukka. Comet. So these comets having head and tail. These comets having head and tail. Head made up of hard particles, then tail made up of gases. That one only given. A comet is a celestial object. This is also one of the celestial object made up of head and tail. The head of comet consists of solid particles held together by ice. Head made up of solid particles made up of ice. Remember that one. Okay, na? Made up of ice, and the tail is made up of gases. Head is made up of solid particles, nothing but ice. Then the tail is made up of gases. We are discussing about comets. I think everybody heard regarding the Halley comet, which is very very important comet. Halley comet. So we are visible this comet for every 76 years. 1986 people saw Halley comet. Then next 2061 we are able to see this comet, that is Halley. Okay na? So for every 60 years, 76 years it appears. Which appears? Halley comet. Last time which year it appeared? Yes, 1986 Halley comet appeared. Next which year it appears? Yes, 2061 Halley comet appears. That one only I written. Halley comet is the most famous comet which comes close to the earth every 76 years. This comet appeared in 1986 and will appear next in, yes, 2061. Galaxy. If you see the sky, then you are able to see the number of stars, group of stars. Okay, so these milky stars, okay, these milky stars all together we can say a galaxy. Our solar system is also part of galaxy. Our solar system is also part of galaxy, part of universe, isn't it or not? Galaxy. We can see white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night. It is a cluster of millions of stars. A galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. In simple words, a galaxy is a huge cluster of stars. Our solar system is also part of which one? Galaxy. Okay, now sun is a star. You know regarding that. By using the sun heat and light, we are able to see. Okay, now that means life is surviving, isn't it or not? Without sun, then we can't imagine the life on the earth. Then universe. There are millions of galaxies that make the universe, isn't it or not? So these millions of galaxies making the universe. We are not certain about the size of the universe. Still, scientists are doing the experiments. Okay, they are trying to find out the facts regarding the universe. Okay, so I think everybody understood regarding the galaxy and the universe. Okay, so this is all about regarding asteroids, meteorites, comets, galaxy and universe. Understood? I think so. What is asteroids? Asteroids also rocky objects moving around the sun. Millions of years back, these asteroids separated from the planets and deposited in asteroid belt area, settled in asteroid belt area, where asteroid belt is located between Mars and Jupiter. Asteroid belt is located. Next one is meteorites. Meteorites also small pieces of rocky or metallic objects which moves around the sun. Sometimes these meteorites try to come to ground area, then by the time flash of light we will observe. Some meteorites without fully born reaches the ground area and creates the hollow. Then comets. Comets contains the head and tail. Head, okay, made up of hard objects, nothing but ice. Tail made up of gases. Halley is the important comet. For every 76 years it is appearing. Last time 1986 Halley comet appeared. Next 2061 we are able to see the Halley comet. Next one is galaxy. We are in the night sky, we are able to see then billions of stars. These all stars all together we can say, okay, galaxy. Sun is, that means solar system is also part of galaxy. Okay na? Then universe. These all together, these galaxies we can say universe. We can't, okay, then perfectly say this is the universe size, because still scientists are doing the experiments on universe. Okay na? So all those things we discussed in this particular session. Okay, once you go through your textbook, okay, then see.